Good Morning Texas Home and Wealth, sponsored by Rodney Anderson with Supreme Lending.
You've probably seen the news about those low mortgage interest rates and how they're expected to go up. But you may not realize if you were to get a mortgage, your interest and fees may actually be different. Rodney Anderson, our mortgage expert, is here with more details. Rodney, let's just jump off and talk a little bit about the rates. What's going on right now?
Yeah, interest rates have been coming down. As the stock market's been coming down, the price of oil has been coming down. Well, mortgage rates actually have hit a 9-month low, Shannon. So it's been good news for people that are buying homes because they've been realizing that rates have gone down 1/4 to 0.5%. It's been good news for the refinancers because they're saving more money. And as rates fall, more and more people are eligible to refinance. So it's been a great opportunity for both people buying and refi.
This sounds good. Now, we see and hear advertisement about low, competitive interest rates, but sometimes you're telling us that advertisement is not always the truth. Help us understand that a little bit better.
Well, for example, Shannon, let's say you saw a 15-year fixed rate mortgage on the internet, okay? And Al Gore created the internet, so we all know it's right, right? And let's say you had one lender at 3%, another lender at 3.25%, and another one at 3.5%.
Right.
Which one are you clicking on?
3.
The lowest rate possible, not knowing all the fees, not knowing that there's so many different variables when it comes to getting that interest rate that we're going to talk about. But those things can be very misleading for a consumer. So you always read the fine print. And I had a customer the other day that said, you know, I just found this rate on the internet, and I said, did you realize that that company just got fined $19 million by the Consumer Financial Protection Board for our bureau, for false advertising?
Sheesh.
And so there's lots of things. You got to do your checks. You got to check the Better Business Bureau. You have to go and check and read the reviews about that individual, about that person.
Read the fine print.
So let's go into all the things that are out there, Shannon, that make up a loan. When a customer just picks up the phone and calls and said, what's your rate today?
Okay.
So these are things that we're looking at, and every lender in America is. What is your mortgage FICO score? Not your credit card FICO, not your Discover card FICO, not your Citi FICO. It's what is your mortgage FICO score.
A little different.
How much money are you putting down, or how much equity do you have in your home? How big is the loan size? Is it a jumbo loan that's over $417,000? Is it a $200,000 mortgage, or is it $80,000? Most importantly, also your loan product. Is it a 15-year fix, a 20-year fix, a 30-year fix? Is it a cash-out refinance? All these things, and this is just a few.
You got 5 more here.
Yeah, then you got to go to your term of your loan. How long a lock-in? The purpose of the loan. Is it a purchase or refinance? The occupancy. Is it your primary, your second home, your rental properties? And property type. Is it a condo? So I went through 9 variable factors. How can you quote just somebody when somebody picks up phone and says, I want your rate?
But you need
I got to know all those factors.
All of those factors. So when reviewing the interest rates, it's been quoted to you. Is there a resource to confirm where they're getting the best deal?
Yeah, I mean, you always want to look at the national averages that are out there. You always want to look at, can I trust this person? Are they in a cubicle in California where I can't even lay my hands on this person? I can't look them in the eye or anything. You got to know where the business is being done, but you also need to look at closing dates. The national average right now for closing dates is now 49 days. I can close a purchase or a refi in 15 days, and the national average is 49 days. Read the complaints. Read everything that's going on, and just don't trust your bank that you're making your mortgage payment to, because many times their processes and their servicing is absolutely horrendous.
All right. Rodney, thank you so much. Very important information. You can call 1-800-EXPRESS to get started today, or log on to rodneyanderson.com for more information.
Bling it.